Happy Thursday, everybody. Today's topic is the keto side effect that shocked me the most. Welcome back to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor and your daily bite of clarity, healing, and real food. We all start keto hoping for weight loss, energy, blood sugar control, but sometimes it's the unexpected benefits that hit the hardest. For me and for so many of my clients, the biggest surprise wasn't weight related. It was for some clearer skin, others less joint pain, for others peace of mind, and or someone else you stop obsessing over food. You feel free. That's the part that nobody talks about. So for today's nugget, the scale isn't the only way to measure progress. One woman told me, I got emotional over this. I didn't lose a pound that first month, but my hands stopped hurting, and I hadn't written in a journal for over 5 years. Sometimes your body is healing in places that mirrors can't show. So try this for today's strategy. Write down one benefit that you experience since lowering carbs that has nothing to do with weight. That's your proof. That's your progress. You didn't come to keto just to shrink your body. You came to reclaim your health, and you're doing it one spoonful at a time. I'll see you tomorrow.